additional 20% off. Look at the price on this one. Nike Air Max 97. They're still same price last week. Air Max 1 DNA still on 99. This is kind of interesting. Air Max 2090 $34.99. USA colorway on 99. Ooh, this black 89, and it's almost gone. Nice colorway. 109. Okay, 59 on this one. We got the Nike Flight Legacy 59.97. We got the Air Max 200 also 59.97. Oh, 69.97 on this one. Air Max 270 React 99. Oh, this one is new in the store. Air Max 270 SE with kind of white and spirit platinum or something with kind of a little bit navy on the bubbles. 270 React. Well, this 270 React is 89 with that gold accent. You got some OG boxes in here. Nike Air Max Triax 69.97. Ooh, hold on. Look at this one. Hey. Come on, bro. What's going on here? Someone returned this one. And it's size 13 Air Jordan 14 low SV sepia stone Terra. I thought this one is sold out in the sneakers app, and someone returned it. Boom. I'm gonna take this one. Man. Ooh, size 13. I wish could give me my size. Alright, this one Air Zoom type is new in the store. This one has been sitting here almost 2 weeks now. $79.97. They were included in the 25% off last week, so there's still not good resale value. Did not pick this one last week. $69.97. So we got here the Nike Ghost Shift $59.97. Still no one am buying on this one. They had a full size run, even though last week they had the 25% and no one's still buying. And now, man, this may drop to somewhere $39.99. I bet it's gonna be sold out on that price. A reseller down here, as you can see right there, he is looking into the price. Looks like he is aiming for that Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. So I'm gonna look on that as well. Grade School is the only have a discount today. They have additional 20%. So this is the Nike Renew Run Grade School. It was selling for $39.97 with the additional 20%. I'm not gonna look into this one because this one is a nice running shoes, and the price alone not bad, even though the retail on this one is $80. So I'm not gonna flip a real maybe 15 to 20%. But then upon checking on the comps, even though this one is really cheap, no buyers out there. Alright, so looking on the casual or clearance wall here in the women's section, I spotted this one. We got some Air Force One down here, $69.97. Looks like it's been used. A double stack of the women's Nike Zoom double stack, $129.97. But then there's no additional discount. Hey, look at those. Air Max 4. And another one. We have here Air Max 97 with triple white and $99.97. Not bad for the price, but they don't have additional discount. This should be okay to buy when they have additional discount, but none, so I'll pass. Nike React Press Robe in grade school, $44.97 with a 20% off. Well, pass on this one. Well, how about this one? $24.97 additional 20, and the Nike Kawa slide. Well, the retail though is 26 in there. Come on, look at those. Retail 26 and they're selling for $24.97. Man, what's going on here? Jordan Flight 45 high, still high price, no additional discount also in the Mars 270. Look at this one. So I knew it, this Skill Shed Shoe Leather is not gonna sold out, and this price $64.99, and they still have a lot of my size, so I'm gonna wait out on this one. Here you go. This is the part of being patient. Just be patient. This one will probably somewhere drop to $59 or $49.97, and then additional discount. Okay, so we got Nike Joyride CC Cedar $59.97. All right, so they dropped the price on this one. The Hybrid S2 $99.97. Last week they are in full price, but now they are dropped the price to $9.97. This one also $89.99. Kyrie 6 and some of the Kyrie 6 TV $69.97, and a different colorway, same $69.97. Lebrons are sitting here $149. Pass. I'll wait for you. Some Soldier, and they have a full size run of that Soldier. Another full size run of this Soldier. Man, 99. DKD 13 $89.97. They're still here. And now we are in basketball section, including the weightlifting section. But here is the Nike Air Zoom BB next, and every time I look this, every time I'm trying to like it, because I like the Air Zoom double stack that's put inside. But I'm gonna wait out. This one's gonna have a discount for additional 30%. I'm not gonna cop. And also the PG 4TB sitting here, the Mamba Focus $74.99, no additional discount. The Jordan Delta, ooh, full price. Ooh, what's this? Hey man, $34.99. And this one, Jordan Max Aura. Oh, they could have additional discount. This almost gone, so I'm not gonna check on it. I'll still $34.99 is not a bad price for that Jordan Max Aura. And next one, you get the Jordan Aerospace 720. That's bulky, $129. This is new in the store, Nike Metcon 6 Fly Ace, with that it says I am not a robot. Ooh. Well, nice concept though. Additional 20% off. Alright, so I'm picking up few stuff on the clothing today. I got this Nike Air Loft Standard, kinda golf something, but I'm not really sure, but it's kinda for running. This one is retail tag is $200, and they're selling for $49.97. Man, and then it comes with the additional 20% off. And then also some few running shirt, $9.97. This one also $9.97. Another $9.97. Also $9.97. That's $45 retail. And also picking this up, $90 retail, and they were selling for $29.97 with additional 20% off. So I'm picking up one of this. Not bad for today on the Nike factory store. So before we end the video, I would like to share you what did I got, just like what I mentioned, what I'm picking up in today's vlog. And good thing I got this one. I found this one kinda $200, and they were selling $49.97, and then they have additional 20%. So that is a huge discount. So I pick up two of that one. There you go. additional, and pick up 2, and also pick up some. Now is the time to pick up those something for personal that I could wear it on the summer. Another one here. I'm not really sure if I could wear this one, but I can't pass the I can't pass the sale. And $9.97. If I can't wear them, I might resell them. That's the way it is. And then got another one right here, so I got also them for $9.97. And another one is this with some kind of hoodie on it. I've been watching on this one to drop the price with some Jordan things going on the side, and I like the colorway with that orange thing going on. And might gonna pair up with some kind of off-white shoes with that orange lace or orange zip tie. This gonna be a good pair on those Jordan Max Aura that were like $34.97. Man, those are very cheap. So I mean, like, why not pick them up? Because I look into the comps, it's also good value. They were selling somewhere around 70 80 max, so $34.97, and then I could resell it for 79 or 75. And lastly, whoo, man, I was kind of surprised. Why did I return this one? This one is in the collaboration of Cloth with the Air Jordan 14 Low SP with the Chinese New Year. And man, I was wanting to buy this one when they dropped because I like the colorway, not too much going on, but whew, the suede and material, man, I wish could be in my size 10.5, but this one is size 13. So some more details on the back. The cloth accent or the cloth vibe is on it with that leather and everything. Okay, since this is not my size, I'm not gonna resell it. Somewhere around 20 to 30% return. Sometimes you just don't have to wear them, just need to admire them. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you like it. So what do you think what we got today? Do you like this video? Do you like this Nike Factory store vlog today? And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat mo kayo. Bye-bye.